We got some trouble with our fridge. Water in the bottom, leaking right down here, as you can see. So everything's just soaking wet. So anyway, I got to turn it off, and I took out those parts, those things, and that piece. And inside we got those parts, and everything is froze up. There's a little drain right here. That's frozen. And there's a drain down there that's frozen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a hair dryer in here now and thaw everything out. I'm going to set it in there for on this period. So a big towel. A big towel we need. One in there somewhere. Lots of water dropping down there. More level that's all around. All cool inside. I'm going to leave that there for a bit. Shut the door. The name of this fridge is a Kenmore. Okay, we'll take a look. Now that dryer has been going for about 5 minutes, I guess. Everything's dry now, totally dry now. And the nipple really small. Really to be seen. Really, oh, it's so. Turn off the dryer. There's a drain right there. Looks like, oh, there's ice down there. Still ice in that drain right there. I wonder. That's probably what it is. I'm going to have a look at in the back. I guess. This is the back of a Kenmore fridge. Nothing. Lots of dirt. The water that we see up top in the freezer, are supposed to come out this tube down here on the back, and there's none in there, not a bit. So I don't know how. I'm going to get that free. So I cleaned all that out there with the vacuum. I'm pushing this stuff here now into the vent right there. I can hear it. You gotta see water down here, eh? Hold it. This is how much I had in there, look. There's any water there now. Here. No water. Not a drop. Poke it in there again. And poke that green stuff in there again now. And this was right there. This is stuff for the weed eater. I'll push that on up there now, see how far up that goes. That's the tube that goes right to the freeze box. I can hear it going up there. There's bought up in something right there, so I'll mark that now, pull this out. And I'll take a look right to the, see that hole right here?
Yeah.
That's how far down. So this little hole in the back of the fridge is there for a reason, so I figure there's ice in that one. So anyway, I made the hole actually, this place where they foamed the tube and that in, so well, we'll get the air dryer now and put on that. Up is I can push that monofilament or whatever it is. I figure the blockage is right there, and I figure it's ice. I just put some salt in the hole there now. See if that'll eat its way in, down into the hole, into the tube. And there's ice, I can feel it right there. Now I'm using the turkey baster, and this is salt water I'm using, and then just pushing it in, sucking it back. Now I believe we got the water there coming out, and yeah, there's water down here now, so I guess it's clearing up. Yeah, we got water in the tray, so that's what you want to see. So that means it's clear and it's coming out the drain right there. So yeah, good. Now I can suck that out with the vacuum cleaner, just make sure there's no dirt, or compressed air. So the vacuum cleaner is going to do it. Oh yeah, she's working there now. Yeah. Okay, she got all the parts put back in, and the fridge is working good up here. So check the bottom, see what that's like. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, seems like she's coming around.